2/3. Top YouTuber. Top YouTuber. Exposing the migrant hotels.
Still called SG, but it's the old channel.
There it is, guys.
Yes.
They were smashing up the gravestone.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Fair play, Mosh.
That was me guilty.
Fair play.
And then the council come along, because it went a bit nuts, the video did. On the original channel, the council come along, did an investigation and said, no, there's no gravestone smashed up, there's nothing wrong here.
Clear as day.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
evidence. All the evidence you need. But the council of capture, they don't give a shit, do they?
But the council give them planning permission, even though they know there's a covenant from the Church of
They were saying in
England.
the chat they remember the video.
Yeah.
Because it did go viral and people even nicked it and it even went viral on their page.
I think what it was, the big thing was, people clipped content from it and put it on TikTok.
Yeah. Shorts.
It's all led back to the original recording, and it just seemed to have a second spike and go nuts from there, like, so yeah.
And it's been turned into a mosque now as well.
Yeah. They're saying now it's not a
I mean,
mosque.
that alone, that's a disgrace.
They're saying it's not a mosque, it's an
Islamic
Islamic
centre.
But if you go
It's
on
as good.
Google, it comes up as the something Darrell
It
Farrell
reminds
Mosque
me of the
or something.
Spider-Man meme where everyone stood around with cameras. Everyone's pointing at each other. Everyone's just
You did an audit on this place.
Yeah, we missed media comments. Yeah. And the guy was saying, I need to leave. You need to leave.
Right.
Damn, matey.
Yeah, I remember that one. We did it to some of the songs here, nothing, yeah. Everything else actually. Remember those guys?
Yeah, been in there. Nice hotel.
Oh, I've been in there.
Did you actually go inside?
Yeah, when inside, they got NHS QR codes all on the wall. They
I
just
went
got
in
to
there
scan
about
it and go
5,
on the
6
point.
years ago before the market thing line.
Yeah.
It was done. Get some folks there, mate. That's
Did you see that DJE one?
Which one?
Well, that guy dressed up as a migrant.
Yeah, he's been in 2 now, hasn't he?
Yeah, lad.
Went to go free dinner.
The Britannia one was shit though, or it. Subscribe to him, guys. Truth hurts. He exposes these. Oh, here they come, the lefts here.
At least we don't get paid to turn up on what you lot.
And just touch it twice then.
Yeah, just stay beside me.
No need to touch me now. The voices. Now came here earlier and you said that we were allowed to go through there.
No, not now.
Why not? Am I supposed to interview? Sorry guys.
We want our country back. We want our country back.
Hey, look, here's the country bumpkins. They would watch. I got through.
Get that Palestine t-shirt off.
Thank you.
Tell him to come on, t-shirt off.
What, Hamas terrorists? You're the
I'm not a terrorist. Why are you wearing it?
Right, that.
Because it's there for everyone's safety. It's just a nice request.
Safety from what?
For everything that's going on.
It's over here.
Everyone else is doing it. Can you do it as well, please? Thank you.
Heavy-handed the police here, right? Too heavy-handed. Six police officers in Solihull last week. 6. We got 70 here. Absolute overkill.
Sean McGinley! Hey! You'd like to know what our names go to, Sean? Paedophile, that's what you are.
Non-supporter.
That's not our names, who we are. You haven't even got a job, you're a bosser. Scum. Scum. Sean McGinley, the paid paedophile. Scum. What is? No. Sean, how many refugees are in your house?
That black woman upset all the years.
Sean,
Basic
Sean
black odds
McGinley,
at the end.
how many refugees are living in your house? No! You're a dog officer, Sean! Dog
Sorry about the music, guys. I'm trying to get across the road, get a better angle. Heavily outnumbered. The numbers are much better this week.
Favourite place. Would you mind just stepping back a bit? Because
I'm supposed to cross the road if we step back
are
there.
you crossing the road or not? You're filming. Yeah? Which one are you doing?
I'm filming.
Who's you're crossing the road?
I was waiting for an appropriate time to cross it.
We weren't looking that way, were you?
I've been crossing the road for 50 years.
I
mate.
know, but what I'm doing, obviously, I want to make sure you're safe.
I want to know how to keep yourself safe, mate. It's 52 years I've been doing it.
I didn't say you didn't, but while we're here,
Right, guys. Right, officers. Right, officers.